Hi student, myself Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट अहमदनगर, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Okay, now today discuss about FYBSc choice based credit system syllabus semester first paper first. Name of the title of paper: Introduction to Physical Geography, paper first or Geomorphology. Unit number 4, Geomorphic process and its subpoints, rocks and minerals, and this another subpoints is sedimentary rocks. Okay, what is meant by sedimentary rocks? The sedimentary rocks, these rocks found by the agency of water, wind and ice. Yeah, the word sedimentary has been derived from the Latin word sedimentum, meaning settle down. The sedimentary rocks cover the large part of the land surface. About 75% of the surface area of the global of occupying by sedimentary rocks, and rest of the area is covered by igneous and metamorphic rocks, but they are not found at a very great depth. Yeah, then yes, the agencies of weathering and erosion break and erode the parent rocks and produce the loose and broken rock fragments. This is the fragments. These loosened particles of the rocks are transported from material get the depositions in horizontal layers one upon another. The lower layers harden due to the weight of upper layers. These hardened, stratified, solidified layers are known as sedimentary rocks. It is the deposited take place in depressions such as lake and sea on the earth surface. The rock is known as aquatic rocks. They are deposited in water bodies. Now another is classification of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks can be classified a different base, that is the nature of sediments, basis of transporting agents. The general classification of rocks is follows. Inorganic is mechanically formed and chemically formed, and organics means calcareous rocks and carbonaceous rocks. The first is inorganic sedimentary rocks. These rocks are mainly formed by minerals matter. Sedimentary rocks can be categorized by into the two groups. First is mechanically formed. These rocks are mainly made of small fragments, small particles of rocks, are pieces of weathering rocks known as the rock waste. these loosened materials of the rocks is transported and deposited in suitable place by river, wind, glaciers and sea waves. After depositions and the consolidations of these depositional materials, sedimentary rocks are formed, that is sandstone. Yeah, sandstone, conglomerates, clay, rocks and sheet shell etc. Okay. Now sandstone. This is sandstone. Uh, Various type of sandstones, quarters, arkos, gravic sandstones, lithic, arsenic sandstones, etc. The sandstones are formed mostly due to the depositions, cementations and solidifications of sand grain. When sand grain are deposited in water bodies are aggregate and consolidated by cementing elements. On an average, sandstone are porous rock and water easily percolate through. Then on the basis of textural and mineralogical characteristics, sandstone are classified into quarters, arenites, arkos sandstones, lithic, arenites and gravic sandstones. Yeah. Okay. Another is conglomerate. These are formed due to cementing and consolidated of pebble of various size together with sand and term. Conglomerates is applied to cemented, fragmented rocks connecting rounded fragments are angular. This is angular, yeah, or subangular rock called breccia. This is the breccia. When the rounded fragment materials are called quarters, the rocks is very hard rocks and resistant to erosions. Another is clay rock and shale. These rocks are formed due to the deposition of cementations of fine sediments. The rock form of the sediments having the grain size of 0.0312 millimeter to 0.04 millimeter are called silt particles, very small, and sediments of grain size 0.004 to 0.0012 millimeter is called clay. Silt and clay are soft and weak rock, but they are definitely improvers. Pure clay rocks are of white color, but the change in color when they are mixed with impurities of other materials. Shales are formed due to consolidations of silt and clay. Okay, yeah, silt, clay. Then, yeah, rock salts, gypsum, stalactitic and stalagmite rock. chemical formed sedimentary rocks. All water found in the surface of the earth contain salt in solutions. These salts present in water and either precipitated due to the evaporations of water bodies, chemical interactions, rock salt and gypsum, and form in this way. Stalactites and stalagmites are formed in underground cover when evaporations of line mixture of water occurs. Then another is generally organically formed sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary derived from the disintegrations or decomposition of plants, animals are called organic sediments. These sediments after being deposition and consolidations from organic sediments rocks on the basis of lime and carbon content. Carbon content. The sea animals, plant features, animals, etc. Then the calcareous rocks. These are formed due to the deposition and consolidations of sediments. Limestone is the most significant characteristics example of calcareous rocks. Limestone is found in both of forms, thinly bedded in thickly bedded. The rocks having in the carbonate of both calciums and magnesiums are known as dolomite, which are less soluble than the limestone. Chalk is another form of carbonate rocks, but it is softer and more porous than limestone. Chalk are formed due to precipitation of carbonaceous material, which are divided from microorganisms like foraminifera. Then the carbonaceous rock. These are dominated by carbonic material which represent vegetables remains. The rocks are formed due to transformation of vegetations because they are buried during the earth movements and consequently weight and pressure of overlaying deposition. The initial form of carbonaceous rocks is peat, which is of dark grey color. Carbonaceous are more important economically than geographically. Coal are also found in these rocks. Now next is silicous rocks. These rocks are formed due to dominance of silica content. Silicous rocks are formed due to agglomerations and compactions of vast derived from sponge and radiolarian or grains diatoms plants. Gray sarites having a different colors, that is a white, gray or pink, due to impurities of depositional of various type of sediments. Okay, now the last point is characteristics of sedimentary rocks. First, characteristics of sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks contain layer or strata clear visible in their cross section profiles. Okay. Another characterized is sedimentary rocks are softer than the other type of rocks because of the sediments easily eroded. All sedimentary rocks have external origin. Another characters, these rocks are produce of disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Next one, they are easily subjected to rapid erosion or breakup. Now, next, the sedimentary rocks contain fossils, the remaining part of the plant and animals. Then they have covered vast area of the earth, particularly the ocean floor have a great deal of the sedimentary rocks. Next one, they occupy about 70% of the earth's surface of rocks. Next, the importance rocks like coal, petroleum and natural gas organic originate and are the found in the sedimentary rocks. Okay, and this is the reference book for using these contents, and some photograph source is www.google.com, and this some material collect from www.wikipedia.org. Okay, thank you very much.